Who is a ranker? Everybody wants to become a ranker, a topper. But why only one or two or a very few persons or the very few students become the rankers or the toppers? Being top or achieving the top position is the dream of everyone. In any college, in any school, in any competition. But why only one or a very few one reaches that position and remaining fall down? Even 1 in 100, sometimes only 1 in 1,000. At the starting or in the initial stage, every candidate, every student, while studying, all have the good books, I mean the good study material, the good college, the good teaching faculties, and all the good facilities like digital and other things. Everything is good. The good food and everything is good. But the difference is if he or she has only one bad habit, if you have 99 good qualities but one bad quality, that bad quality is your bad habit, that only pulls you down and that only makes the difference between an achiever and a non-achiever, a ranker and a non-ranker. That is the only difference. For example, what is a bad habit? As we told, the good habits means good books, good teaching faculty, good college, everything is good. And they are easily available. They are easily available. So we should come out of the confusion that having only good books, some students think that finding a good institution is and good institution is a problem. But finding a good institution is not a problem. But the biggest problem for the student is to curb, to cut the bad habit. Now we should think what is bad habit. We may think that we all have good habits. Bad habit generally means drinking alcohol and smoking cigarette. It is not that. It is not only that. Of course, drinking alcohol and smoking cigarette are bad habits. But second category of bad habits are what are your sleeping habits? What are your eating habits? What are your dressing habits? What are your companionships? These are also bad habits. If you are eating too much, when a person says that I love chicken, I love ice cream, that means it is a bad habit. Because eating too much leads one to sleep too much. And it spoils both. It spoils your health conditions and it spoils also your time. That's why a topper does not have time to think about all these things. Third category of bad habits, not only just eating, sleeping, you should control, but the most important is other qualities. These are quantitative bad habits, but qualitative. Like if you are very much proud, if you are feeling afraid, if you have a lot of fear, examination fear, entrance examination fear, book fear, or anything. So, feeling fear and feeling jealous, feeling tensed, and feeling nervous. So, these feelings, along with feeling overconfident, feeling angry, and feeling anxious, all these qualities simply. Other qualities like interfering nature. If you have one of these bad qualities, that will make you the difference between the success and the failure. Because one bad habit consumes daily hours together. Suppose addiction of phone games, computer games. If you take one example, if you once you calculate, if you sit on system 1 hour daily, and it may daily if you 1 hour sit, you may think 365 days, it takes 365 hours. It is not that. It takes much more than that, because our body gets tuned to some wrong route. So mind loses its concentration and attention. So that 1 hour damages almost to come back to the normalcy, normal condition of reading attitude. It almost takes 5 to 6 hours of gap. Then only you can come to normal conditions where you can receive knowledge. So my dear students, how to control that bad habit then? Now, controlling the bad habit is very easy. You should have a weapon in your hand. You should have a sword in your hand. The name of that sword is nothing but it's a detachment. You should get yourself detached. You should be away from them. You should control your sense, all the senses. Because senses are like horses. They always jump. So you should remove these things from your life. And you have to redefine what is bad and what is good. Then definitely you will become successful. Wish you all the best.